Hey guys, what's up? This is Nayan from Barrack Solutions, and today we are starting up with Windows tutorial. So this is great news for Windows fan. And before starting up with this first tutorial on Windows today, let's talk about Windows. Windows is an operating system which is made by Microsoft Corporation, and it is currently the most widely used operating system in the world, and it has a market share of 92%. And Windows has got a lot of versions of its OS. So at the moment we are gonna use the most updated OS of Windows, that is the Windows 7, which is currently available in the market, and I am using Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit. So now let's proceed with our first tutorial, and this first tutorial is going to be about basics of Windows. So as you can see, whenever you install a Windows OS, that is Windows 7, you'll get this background at the back, which is a default Windows background with a Windows logo. And on the desktop we'll have recycle bin, which is the default application which comes on the desktop. And we can even add lots of shortcuts to applications on the desktop. We'll learn about those techniques later on. And at the bottom we are having the taskbar, and in the taskbar we have the start menu at the left corner, and just next to the start menu we have the applications which we have pinned into the taskbar. And to the rightmost corner we have the status bar, which shows us all the details about, let's say, time, date. You can also get details about other applications, the battery level, the Wi-Fi signal strength, and even your sound level. And extremely right on the taskbar we have the show desktop button. We will talk about this button at the end of the tutorial. So let's talk about the start menu. In the start menu you can see we have two columns. On the left column we have the applications which we visited recently, or which we opened it recently. And when you click on this all programs button, you will have all the programs that are installed onto your Windows operating system. And you can even search for a program, like let's say I want to search for Camtasia. You can see it searches. I have not even completed the search and it has given me all the results from documents, files, and even programs. That's more important. So we can even see more results if you click on it. And that was basically the left column. And on the right column, as you can see on the top, we have the user logo. So this is the user logo. If you click on it, it will take you to the user accounts, and it will show you that the account name, main administrator of the Windows OS that I'm using is Sony Vio. So that's the username, you can say, and this is the icon or the logo of the user. And again, going into the start menu, below the user icon we have all the main places where of the computer related to the Windows OS. And in the top we have like the places where the user would want to go, like to check his documents, pictures, music, or his games. And below we have the computer part, like computer locations, like you want to visit your my computer, your control panel, you want to check out your devices and printers. And if you want to check out help and support, so that part is for the computer locations, you can say. And at the bottom we have this button which allows us to shut down or hibernate or sleep, put our laptop to sleep, or you want to even restart your laptop, or you want to lock your laptop or log off your laptop, or switch the user of your Windows OS. So that was the start menu. And next to the start menu, as I told you, these are the applications or the favorite applications which the user uses frequently, and he pins them into his taskbar. So these are the applications which I have pinned to my taskbar. And talking about the show desktop button, so as you can see, its basic function is what it actually says: show desktop. So if I click on, let's say, libraries, I visit my libraries, I open up Windows Media Player. So I want to see my desktop, I can just click on this button and it will take me to the main desktop area. So that was basically it with this tutorial, guys. This is the basics of Windows. So we'll talk about much more better techniques later on in the next tutorials. So that's basically it with this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please rate, comment, subscribe, visit techbarrack.com, and also visit our Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter fan page. The links are given below.